Okay, gold has gone beyond the level actually. It's going nuts. So let's go back here. And I think it's reached this level. I'm going to close the profits here because I think it might reverse. All right, so we're done with gold.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Okay, we are back with a new challenge account. As you can see, the balance is 125,000. Haven't done any trades yet, so brand new challenge account. So today, news came in 8:30. Well, starting at 8:15, really, the euro had some news, but it was all pretty much neutral as far as the euro rate. Refinancing rate remained at 4.5%, and then the money policy statement. I'm not sure exactly what the statement was, and I'm not going to look it up because I'm not trading any euro pairs today. Now, 8:30 USD news came in, and it was a mixed bag. So advanced GDP came in at 3.3 instead of 2. So that is positive for the dollar, but then unemployment claims came in negative, right, at 214K instead of 199K. And then advanced GDP came in negative at 1.5. Then the core durable goods, 0.6 positive, right, instead of the 0.2 that was expected. And then USD durable goods came in negative at 0 instead of 1.2. So as we can see, it's a mixed bag, right? You have good news and bad news for the dollar. So what that means is the market is not going to be well decided in terms of direction until people figure out exactly what these numbers mean. So if we go to the charts, you can see right here in terms of gold, it spiked down, then it spiked up, and now it's back down. The direction is not clear. In cases like that, you want to stay out of the market because you will get chopped up. Now, this is close enough to equilibrium, so I'm going to take a chance on that because I suspect that it's going to go up. So let me quickly put in a buy right now on gold. Okay, USD CAD went up, came down. It looks like it might be headed down, and especially given that you have this gap that needs to be filled in. So let me go ahead and activate this and go for the sell. UJ is pretty much doing the same thing. Yeah, so if we look at the 1 hour, you pretty much have it's sideways, but given the pattern of what it's been doing, and you got this long bearish candle, I think there's going to be some follow through, at least to somewhat this level. So go back to that. So we're in it now. We got USD JPY, we got UCAD, and we got gold, my favorite pairs. Now, euro, its news was choppy too, right? Because you had that from the statement, you never know what could happen with that, but it looks like it's pushing down. But I already have 2 assets running. I'm not going to enter another one. That's going to spread me thin, and I do not want to do that. But that looks like it's possibly a good opportunity for anybody that's trading the euro. But I'm going to focus on what I'm trading, and it looks like we're getting hammer time from I believe it's UJ. Oh, is it UJ? No, it's gold. I think gold is going to at least come to this level. Let's go ahead and mark it up on trading view. So if we go to trading view, looking at gold, yeah, I think gold is going to at least come to this level. So we are going to mark it up right here and place an alert on that. Well, let's move it down here. We're not looking for much, right? We're scalping, quick scalps. So okay, put an alert on that. So the anticipation is for it to at least reach that level. The USD CAD, the anticipation is for it to come back at least to this level before it continues on the upside, because we have somewhat of an upward trend on UCAD. But I think it's going to come back and at least touch equilibrium or the blue line somewhat in this area before it continues up. So then we have UJ. USD JPY, and I think it's going to at least come to this level. Given the pattern is showing, it might be more, but let's see. Okay, back, and we're in a drawdown right now. Let me expand this a little bit. Gold has reversed, UJ has reversed as well. So yeah, let's keep watching and wait for these pairs to hit the anticipated levels. Okay, UJ has hit my level. Turn that off, go back to, and I'm going to close UJ right now, take the profits, do not waste any time. So now we're just waiting on gold and UCAD to get close to my level or hit that level. Let's go back to trading view. All right, so yeah, we can see you can hit that level. Let's look at gold. What is gold doing? Okay, gold is close to hit the anticipated level. In fact, it came close and pulled back, but I think it's going to push up again. Yeah, there we go. Let's see where we're at on the yeah, it's pushing. Okay, UCAD has been a little stubborn, but I think it's going to continue. So I'm gonna hold on that. So right now, just waiting on gold to do its thing. Come on, gold, push. Okay, let's keep waiting on gold. Okay, gold has gone beyond the level. Actually, it's going nuts. So let's go back here. And I think it's reached this level. I'm going to close the profits here because I think it might reverse. All right, so we're done with gold.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said, let him cook.
UCAD has also hit my level. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Okay, UCAD has also hit the level right here, but I think it's going to continue. So I'm going to hold on to UCAD because I don't have that many trades on it. So let's go back here. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold UCAD because even the way it's pushing, it might come all the way down here. So to this vicinity here. So I'm gonna hold that. Gold retracted, and also UJ. Okay, UJ is still pushing. So that's a good sign because that means UJ might keep going at least to this level here. So I'm gonna hold that. Let me go ahead and mark our new level on. Okay, we go back here. That would be okay at the 1.347 area, right? So 1.347. Yeah, so we're saying it's gonna come to somewhere around this area. But then again, given this pattern here, I think it might be yeah, let's wait and see what it decides to do. I'm gonna see if gold is going to retract, and if there's signs of a continuation, I might re-enter that. So let's see what the market does as we approach 9:30. Okay, so I closed those trades from CAD because USD CAD started to reverse. And when you look at let's go to trading view. If we go to USD CAD, this is on the 4-hour. You can see it's on the uptrend. It's reversing, so it looks like it's going to continue that trend at least up to this level. I was thinking it was forming kind of a double top and it was going to go at least down to this level, but it looked like it's reversing, so that's why I closed those trades because I do not want to risk the gains I already have for the day. So I'm going to wait to see what happens when it gets up here on that level. So that's the 4-hour. This is what it looks like on the 1-hour, which is still an uptrend of sorts. So that's why I closed those trades. Now I re-entered gold because gold started going back up. As you can see, it went up back up above that level again. If we look at it, so it's on the 1-hour, it's kind of like sideways, more of like trying to turn back to the uptrend. If we look at the 4-hour, you can see it's a downtrend. So I think it's going to at least come to the blue line, and I can capitalize on that. In fact, if we go back here, yeah, I think I'm going to close those and just take those profits. So that should, okay, why is it entering another trade? Oh, because this is gold right here. Let me deactivate it, and then once this gets into a little bit of profit, I'll just close it because I don't want to carry. I want to be done for the day right now, so I'm just going to wait for that to push up a little bit, and then I will close it. Or maybe I should just close it right now at this little profit. But it looks like it might be a continuation with that. Let's take a look at the news just to make sure there's nothing else coming up. Let's refresh that. And if we look at the news, we have news coming at 10 a.m. New home sales expected to go up to 648 from 590K. So if that goes up, that's going to be good for the dollar, which means gold is going to drop, which means I'm going to close this because I don't want to risk my gains. So I'll just take that loss and wait to see what happens at 10 because we're at 942 right now. And so far, the gains for the day, 1,378 minus the fees, you have 1,293. So basically 1,300 for the day. And if we look at all the trades, these are all the trades right here for the day. 3 small losses, but then the rest are all gains, which is good. I think that's going to be it for me for the day. I don't want to go in for seconds or thirds because that's when you mess up, at least on my part. So yeah, that's it.